Let's go through the most common and some of the more exceptional dashboard lights out there. 81. Lambda warning. Not only does this warning light include a letter from the Greek alphabet, but it also combines the colors green, yellow, and black. In case this warning light turns on and persists, that means the oxygen sensor has gone kaput. 82. Fuel filter level warning. Exclusive to diesel vehicles, the fuel filter level warning light indicates excess water in the fuel filter water trap. 83. SRS warning. To whom it may concern, SRS stands for Supplemental Restraint System. If the SRS warning light doesn't go away, that means trouble with either the airbags or the seat belts. 84. Rear differential oil temperature warning. Ignoring this warning light can cause serious damage to the rear diff of your vehicle. 85. Diesel exhaust fluid warning. Better known as AdBlue in Europe, diesel exhaust fluid makes diesel engines that much cleaner. This warning light means that you're low on exhaust fluid. 86. Glow plug warning. Also exclusive to diesels, the glow plug warning light indicates an issue with the glow plugs or the control system. 87. Diesel particulate filter warning. Either the DPF is full and needs regeneration replacement, or the diesel particulate filter experiences a problem that only a specialist can diagnose. 88. Car on lift warning. Lovingly dubbed the red car lift of death by enthusiasts of the German mark, this warning light indicates one too many things. From the electronics to the fuel pump, brake pads, ignition, and starter motor, this warning light could mean anything. Needless to say, have a BMW service technician diagnose the issue.